Okay, guys, here we go again. Y'all were coming in from activity. Okay, it says, Abby made a ribbon medallion using 8.47 inches of pink ribbon and 9.12 inches of green ribbon. How many inches of ribbon in all did she use to make the medallion? Well, this one, we know if it says how many did she use in all, then we must be adding those. So it said we have 8.47, which we know is 8 and 47/100, plus 9 and 12/100. We would bring that decimal on down. 7 plus 2 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 8 plus 9 is 17. So it would take 17 and 59 inches in all. So make sure you label. You always want to label your units. Okay, next one. Donovan bought a humidifier for $21.96 and a ceramic heater for $47.95 to keep his home warm during the winter. How much was Donovan billed for in total? Well, if he's doing this price plus this price, then we know how much he was going to have to pay in total. So we have $21.96 plus $47.95. We would line that decimal up. 6 plus 5 is 11. 9 plus 9 is 18, plus the one that we carried was 19. We carried that one. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus the one that we carried is 9. And 2 plus 4 is 6. So in total, Donovan was billed $69.91. Ken and Joe attend a health camp at school. Their heights are noted as 4 1/100 feet and 3 7/100 feet respectively, meaning the first one goes with the first name, so that goes with Ken, and the 3.171 goes with Joe. What is the difference in height between Ken and Joe? Well, we know that the word difference is the answer to a subtraction problem, so we know that we're subtracting here. So we would have 4 1/100 feet minus 3 7/100 feet. We would line that decimal up. 1 minus 1 is 0. We can't take 7 from 0, so he's going to have to borrow. So that will become a 3. And remember, when you borrow a whole 1, that's like 10 tenths. So we have 10 tenths now. 10 minus 7 is 3. And 3 minus 3 is 0. So the difference in their heights is 30/100 feet, or we learned earlier that 30/100, if we divide each by 10, would be 3/10. So if you put 3/10 feet, that is also correct. Luke plays an online game and takes a total of 74.7 seconds to complete round 2. If he took 14.6 seconds to clear round 2, how much time did he take to finish round 1? Okay, So if I know in total it took him 74.7 seconds to play the complete 2 rounds, and I take away how much time it took him to play just round 2, then that'll leave me with how much time it took him to play round 1. So we bring the decimal on down. 7 minus 6 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. And 7 minus 1 is 6. So for the first round, it took him 70 and 1/10 seconds. So always make sure you label. Okay, Greg travels 3 55/100 miles to his office on Monday. He takes a detour and covers a distance of 4.51 miles when returning home. How many miles in all does Greg travel on Monday? Oh, well, okay, we're going to have to, if we're going to total how many in all, we know we're going to be adding. So we know that he traveled 3.55 miles on his way to work. Okay, and then it said he took a detour that covered a distance of 4.51 on his way home. So that detour was a little bit further, wasn't it? Okay, so if we add those two together, line up that decimal point, then that should give us how many miles he traveled altogether on Monday. So we have 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 5 is 10, so we would carry the 1. 3 plus 4 is 7, plus the 1 that we carried is 8. So in his total trip that day, he traveled 8 6/100 miles. 8 6/100. Move that down just a little. 8 6/100. Well, and it's not wanting to stay. Sorry, guys, making y'all dizzy. All right, that is the last one on our study guide. So good luck on tomorrow's test, and see you later. Bye.